Today I'm going to show you how to make this homemade strawberry Italian ice. Start with 3 cups of strawberries and wash them. Now stem them. Now we're going to take our strawberries and place in a blender. Now add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. Put our lid on, and we want to puree this. Now we want to add about 3 cups of ice. And you really want to make sure the ice is crushed. When that's all done, we're going to add it to an 8x8 pan. Spread it nice and thin. Now put this in the freezer for 30 to 45 minutes. After a half hour, pull it out of the freezer, take a fork, and we just want to break up the ice crystals. Now put it back in the freezer for an hour and a half. So I kept it in the freezer for about 2.5 hours. Now what do you say we scoop it out? And now for the taste test with our tiny spoon. That's good.